Indian troops arrested dozens of youth during cordon and search operations and house raids. Indian troops and personnel of the police and paramilitary during their continued house raids and search operations arrested dozens of youth in different areas of Srinagar, Islamabad, Pulwama, Shopian, Kulgam, Rajouri, Poonch and Kathua districts. The troops also conducted search operations in Kupwara, Poonch, Rajouri and other areas. Convener of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter and acting chairman of the Democratic Freedom Party, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, has praised the steadfastness of the party chairman Shabir Ahmad Shah on the completion of 36 years of his life in jail and 7 consecutive years of captivity in New Delhi's Tihar jail. In a statement issued in Islamabad today, Sagar said Shah, who was forced to spend most of his life in jails and detention centers, have become an icon of resistance. National Conference leader and member of the Indian Parliament Hasnain Masoodi has said that back-to-back attacks in South Kashmir pose questions to the Modi government's narrative that it has eliminated armed resistance in the Kashmir Valley. Masoodi, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said a narrative has been built about the security system and the government was very confident that every last diameter of the militancy has been obliterated. Modi regime is planning to remove world-famous literature of Agha Shahid Ali from the university curriculum at the University of Kashmir. The authorities have already removed the literature of Agha Shahid Ali and the novelist Basharat Peer from the MA English curriculum at the Cluster University in Srinagar. Anjuman Awqaf Jamia Masjid Srinagar, while extending greetings to the Muslims on the advent of New Islamic Year, has demanded the release of its incarcerated president Mirwais Umar Farooq from house detention. The Anjuman said this in a statement issued in Srinagar. 8 people, including a toddler, have died in separate incidents of landslides and flash floods triggered by a fresh spell of the rainfall in the hilly parts of the occupied Kashmir. Additional Sessions Judge Doda Amarjeet Singh has rejected the bail applications of 4 Kashmiri youth registered against them in 2017. The Indian police have lodged the case of attack on a police post in Doda in 2017. Azad Jammu and Kashmir Bar Poonch Division submitted a memorandum to the United Nations Military Observers Group urging the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres to play his role in granting the Kashmiris their birthright, the right to self-determination. The memorandum was presented by the Secretary General of the Bar Poonch Division, Sardar Bilal Shakil Khan Advocate. In what Amnesty International has described as a means to inflict lasting physical and psychological damage on the women and the girls during ethnic violence, a video has surfaced showing 2 Christian women belonging to the Kuki tribe paraded naked by a mob of the Hindu majority, the Methi tribe in the Manipur state of India. The incident of the 2 women naked paraded came into focus last day after a video surfaced on the internet.